A knowledge of electronics can take you many places, allowing you to find work anywhere electronic devices are used or misused. At Fort Myers Technical College, you will learn all of the necessary skills to assemble and repair these devices that help run the modern world. In just 1 year, you will have the skills to gain entry to this exciting and varied career field. You can choose between a career path in electronic technology, mechatronics, or biomedical equipment repair at FMTC. Electronic technicians help to build, test, and repair equipment commonly found in machine controls and computer systems. They also learn how to identify solutions to technical design problems that arise during the construction of electrical systems. The need for qualified technicians is increasing due to the additional demand for portable devices and integrated systems. Some devices an electronics technician may work on include test equipment, computers, machine instrumentation, medical monitoring devices, communications equipment, and electron tubes. Electronic technology students use precision test equipment for analyzing, troubleshooting, and repairing electronic circuitry. Program elements include DC and AC circuits, soldering, digital devices, microprocessors, and analog circuits. Mechatronics technicians are involved in the manufacture and deployment of equipment for automation. Mechatronics is the combination of mechanical, electronic, computer, software, control, and systems design engineering. The program is designed to provide graduates with a high-tech skill set and knowledge in electronic, mechanical, fluid power, pneumatic systems, electrical, program logic controller (PLC) applications programming, and computer technology for maintenance and repair of PLC computer-controlled, automated machines, and robotic systems. The content includes direct, alternating, and analog current circuits, solid-state and digital devices, microprocessors, use of circuit diagrams, blueprints and schematics, soldering and chassis assembly techniques, laboratory practices, and technical recording and reporting. A biomedical equipment repair technician is someone who specializes in calibrating, maintaining, and repairing the medical machinery used in a healthcare facility. You'll handle complex machinery such as ventilators, infusion pumps, cardiac monitors, and defibrillators. You'll also perform safety checks on electrical equipment, wheelchairs, and radiological diagnostic testing machines. The biomedical technician contributes enormously to successful patient outcomes, working on equipment that grows more advanced and vital all of the time. They ensure the safety and proper functioning of medical equipment on which patients and healthcare professionals rely in order to achieve safe, accurate diagnosis and successful treatment. The course content includes electronics, pneumatics, optics, and mechanics to troubleshoot, service, and repair equipment commonly used for treatment, diagnosis, and monitoring of patients in a medical environment. The field of electronic repair is lucrative. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reports the median pay nationwide for electronic technicians is over $60,000 per year. FMTC graduates are well prepared to work in these rapidly changing, technically innovative fields. They are prepared for certification through ETA International in their respective field. Graduates of these programs are employed in a variety of industries, including communications, entertainment, manufacturing, healthcare, and technical sales. If you're creative, mechanically minded, and like to solve complex problems, a career in electronics may be for you. To learn more about obtaining the education you need for a career in electronics, mechatronics, or biomedical equipment repair, call 239-334-4544 and speak to an admissions officer about our enrollment options. To find out more about how you can become a student at Fort Myers Technical College, attend one of our weekly information sessions. The school is located in Fort Myers at 3800 Michigan Avenue, just a few miles from exit 138 on I-75. Fort Myers Technical College offers the training you need for the career you want. Start your future today.